Go.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Liam back with another video. And today we're going to be taking the ramps that we picked from the other day. And we're going to be the tops. And we're going to be cooking them in butter and olive oil.
Yes, we are.
So let's get right into that. Now what's the first step here, Mike?
Okay, so what we're going to do is take them out of the bag. And we're going to find a pair of scissors.
These are...
What's that?
They're washed?
Yep, they're all cleaned up.
Alright.
Michael's being a...
What do we do? We throw them in?
We're going to take... Here, we'll take your knife. Okay, we're gonna throw them out on these cutting boards.
Oh, we're using
Go ahead, just dump it right there.
Alright. What are we gonna do? Cut them?
Yeah, we're just gonna cut them up a little bit.
Alright.
Okay.
You wanna cut?
Yep, I'll cut them. Just get it on there.
Have some parental supervision while doing it.
There's a little bit. Simple, you don't really have to cut them. They're going to kind of be just like eating spinach. I like to give them just a... Look.
Yeah, don't eat these off the floor, but we're just gonna, screw it. Screw it. Yeah. Oh, it smells good already.
You don't have to add a lot because it has a lot of flavor in it. So.
It smells so good.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
If only they could smell this, huh? Okay, so what we're going to do now, we want to sprinkle some of this salt. Now it's going to come out really fast, so just sprinkle a little bit. Yep, okay, that's good. And that'll mix in. Now, olive oil, generous amount of olive oil in there. Same thing, it'll come out fast, so just kind of...
It won't come out fast when I'm doing it.
A little more. Keep going. Okay. And you want to use some real butter. None of that
Fake crap.
We're going to use half of this.
No, if you don't know if that,
just take that knife and cut
like that.
half.
Oh, half. We're going to need to take this
Did
thing
you
out.
have math? Ah, baby cow.
Oh, no.
Okay, cut that half. You're okay. Come on. Okay, throw that half in there. Good.
We're doing this half.
We're going to save that half. We shouldn't need it. So, you want to cook this with a cover on.
Oh, like we did last time.
Rusty old lid. And watch, I'll give you a little shakedown. Okay, so get it on me.
Alright, you're on.
Kind of get that all shift around a little bit.
Look how nice that looks.
So we're just going to let that cook down for probably 10, what do you think, 10-15 minutes?
I don't know.
Give it 10-15 minutes, that looks like a lot, but it'll just be...
Like the size of that.
Yeah, like a little bit, so...
Looks good.
So yeah, we'll let that cook down and we'll get back with you in 10 or 15 minutes and Liam's going to try it out.
So, we gone!
Okay guys, that's literally probably 2 minutes in this pan. See how they're already breaking down?
Alrighty guys, so now it's time.
The time has come. Hold on, baby. Okay. Look at that awesomeness.
Yeah.
Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this awesomeness.
But it's a pull of butter.
Put this camera on that plate.
Put the camera on the plate?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put the camera on the plate.
So we can get a good You. Not too close. Not too close.
I'm gonna get a good view of it.
Yeah. How's that looking? Awesome.
Get you all the views.
A little bit of butter on there.
Alrighty, look at that.
See how much they cook down?
Dude, there's a lot of friggin' things.
Yeah, it's just like spinach. Like I said, that's basically what you're cooking. So now we get a nice little bite of this. Mmm.
Hold on.
I think we did one of these videos last. Oh, no.
That's enough.
You get some in there, boy.
That's good.
Look at that little bite he got. What do you think, guys? We'll see. Oh, and he dropped it on the floor.
Oh my god. Tastes good.
It's right here.
No.
You're so scared to eat it.
Bro, it fell out of my mouth. Chill out.
Oh, dude.
She's not even a person anymore. You know what I mean? This is really something
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming from the guy that won't eat any vegetable.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how this tastes. Nice. Mmm. That's good. Spinach. Basically, if you guys buy fresh spinach and cook it down, that's what you got.
Movements.
Awesome. That honestly, all we need now is a couple of fish there. If you would have caught some fish yesterday, that would have been all we needed.
Yeah.
Were you okay? Did that bite of that mess you up? You look like your eyes are watering.
My eyes were itchy.
Oh, allergies.
Yeah.
Okay, well anyways, that's how you completely use a ramp, you know. I like to eat the bottoms just with some salt on, like with a steak or something.
I like to just eat it. Right.
Yeah, you like to dip it in the crick and eat it, and we take the tops and we do that with. So that's a complete way to use a ramp, and that's all we have for this video.
So we'll see you in the next one. We gone!